cooks, it's time to close out July for the Cookbook Club. I have been cooking it from the silver spoon, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts on this, and I have a little bit left for this cookbook, and we're going to be ushering in the new cookbook for August. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So as we close out July, we're closing out our look at the silver spoons. Sort of, right? It's my fault. I got a little behind this month because I have a lot of stuff going on in the real world, right? And my goal with the Cookbook Club is to cook one recipe every week for 4 weeks. That's 4 recipes out of each book per month. But time sort of got ahead of me, and I only have done 3. So I am going to be uploading next week my pasta recipe out of there. We're going to make fresh homemade pasta from the silver spoon, and we're going to see if I can do it, right? So the silver spoon, this is Italy's most popular cookbook. It's the best-selling cookbook in Italy. It, of course, is written in Italian, and it was translated by Faden into English. And one of the things that kind of concerned me at the beginning is when you're translating something like that, does it result in any issues with the recipes? Because the weights are different, the ingredients might be different, or depending on who is translating, they might read it wrong. Will it translate correctly and enable you to have recipes that you can execute into the proper dish or the dish that it is intending? I can say that I did not have any trouble with that. Every recipe that I made, though I might have made a little bit of changes based on my personal taste, they all came out fantastic. So we first made the polenta with meat sauce. And this recipe was absolutely delicious. This was my first, well, actually it was my second time making polenta. We ended up making a huge batch of it, but we learned a lot about making polenta, and I think we could execute it pretty well next time we want to make it.
Yeah, we have a bigger pan for it now.
Yeah. Yeah, we bought the bigger Tucci pan, the Stanley pan. I think that it was delicious. It was absolutely delicious. It was a great dish. I could see serving that at a dinner party for a holiday. It was a great dish. Then we moved on to the lemon tart, and the lemon tart was absolutely out of this world. Out of this world. It sort of had kind of like not a cookie crust, but it tastes like a...
Was it like Danish cookies?
Yeah, like Danish cookies. The crust for it was made a little different because you use like softened butter, which I'm not used to that. I'm used to like chill everything and make your pastry. I didn't think it was going to work, but it was absolutely 100% delicious. That recipe was a winner. Then we moved on to the asparagus risotto. I overcooked it a little bit, but it was delicious. I ate it the next morning for breakfast. It was so good. I made the asparagus a little different because they wanted you to boil it off and then saute it. I thought it would just blow it out. So I just saute it. It was crisp, tender. It was absolutely fantastic. It's a great recipe. Where I came up short is because I don't have my... I have a problem with time management, right? I didn't get to the fourth recipe. So we're going to do that still because I'm committed to 4 recipes out of this book. So we're going to be making some homemade pasta still out of this. So we're saying goodbye to it, but we're not 100% saying goodbye, right? So what did I pick for August, right? I don't really want to leave the silver spoon. This book is not leaving. This is just temporarily on hold, right? I didn't say, this book is a 100% buy. If you already have it on your shelf, which a lot of people may, and they just never cooked out of it, get this book out and cook out of it. If you are building your cookbook library, buy this book and add it to this. This is a fantastic book, 100%, no doubt. This is an Amy Learns to Cook buy, right? So for August, I kicked around a bunch of things and there was something that I wanted to get to and we're going to get to for August. So my cookbook club for August 2025 is Bake from Scratch. So we are going to be cooking out of Bake from Scratch for August 2025, right? And you ask, what is Bake from Scratch? This is basically a magazine. And every year, at the end of their year, they take all the recipes from that year and they publish it in a volume. And they've been doing that for 9 years. And I have all 9 volumes here of Bake from Scratch. This is an amazing magazine and book because it is chock full with goodness, right? And I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this because there is 9 volumes here. This could take a year to cook through this, right? What I think I'm going to do is each week I'll find something in a different volume. So we'll do 4 recipes out of a different volume of this. So this is volume number 1 all the way to volume number 9. This one just came out recently. You see, I already have it bookmarked, right? This book is amazing. Amazing.
Ooh.
It is
peaches and cream pie.
Page after page of goodness.
Fried apple hand pie. I'm liking this book.
What's that one?
Double crust something. Apricot pear galette.
Cookies, cakes, breads,
Macaroons.
you name it is in these books. 9 volumes of this.
Peppermint macaroons.
Peppermint macaroons. We can make those for Christmas, right?
Nah.
Peppermint macaroons.
Those might be Santa approved.
They look Santa approved to me. Look at all this amazingness. And this is just this one volume. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is baking crazy, right? So they have, I think at every, look at that.
That's right.
Burnt almond torch. Lemon, vanilla lemon, poppy seed layer cake. It's got lemon curd in between. I think that one might be on our list, right? So it's artisan recipes for the home baker. Here is the founder, Brian Hart Hoffman. So it goes to like cakes, pies, cookies, breads, braided breakfast bread, right? We got 9 volumes to get through in 1 month. No, I'm kidding. Look at the back of this one. This is volume 8.
It's got some breads.
Yeah, that looks amazing, right?
Mm-hmm.
This has got some strawberry action going on. So we're going to have a lot of fun. So stay tuned, cooks. Buckle up. August, we're cooking out of Bake from Scratch.